So the very first thing you're going to want to do is when you open up the McDonald's app, you actually need to sign in. How you can do this is you click on the rewards and deals in the bottom middle of the screen, and you can basically continue with your email or Google just on this page like so. Once you've actually signed in, you simply want to go to the home screen on the app like I am so here, and you can basically click on the register to play or order to play if you want to order to get points on this app. And you can basically enter in your info on this page, assuming you're 18 plus, agree to the terms of service, and you can actually earn these crazy good deal and free food rewards just on this app playing Monopoly. And once you've done that, you can see right here, it'll bring you to this page like so, where you can actually just click on the order now, or you can actually redeem your prizes just by clicking on the add code in the middle of the screen, where you can actually scan your QR code using this app, or you can add it manually with this yellow button like so if you cannot scan it. Now scanning it works the best if you do have good lighting, but basically once you scan it, it'll automatically redeem your points and give you your rewards in this app on this pop-up banner. And you can always just click on this McDonald's Monopoly thing, and you can see right here, if we click on register to play just on the home screen, it'll bring up the pop-up, and you can actually view all of your prizes, which you can claim so on this pop-up like so on the app. It's really easy to do, and yeah, you just need to agree to play and be 18 plus. But yeah, if you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing down below.